Hey everyone, welcome to this week's vlog. As you can see, we're starting out with cleaning. This is sort of like our catch-all cupboard where we just kind of throw anything extra we've got down here, and it was looking a hot mess and there didn't seem to be much space, so I really needed to clean it out.
But the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering inside.
These are really just extra things, like when we go to Costco or something like that, we store them under here. This, for example, is Vicks that my mother-in-law brought us. These are nails cubes, and this is a really cute wash bag that I got from Shein. And I love to buy little sample travel items, so it's perfect to keep these here so that whenever we're traveling or we run out of something, like for example this is the cleanser that I'm currently using, then we can just put it in the bag, and essentially we can at any time get a travel bag from under here.
I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Say it to my face, say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face, say it to my face. Run it back through my mind.
Up top is sort of like a catch-all for the kitchen items, right? So we kind of just stick household items and some things from the kitchen under here. And these are receipts that really just fell out of the top drawer. So you see what I'm talking about in terms of this being like a catch-all area.
Got me suffering inside. This can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say
At
it
the
to my
bottom, I tried. I was really thinking about doing the top. You will see that I started a little bit. It's really hard to see up there, and I don't have a stool, but I really was just checking what was up there and what was going on. But then after digging around for a little bit, I finally decided that, you know what, I do not have enough time, because we had like 20 minutes to leave the house, and I just decided, you know what, not today, and closed it and moved on.
Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two paths close out, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right.
Y'all, wagwan. It's Wednesday, so right on brand. It's been a windstorm all morning. I don't even think that you can really see. I don't really think you can truly see what's happening outside. But excuse me, it's been wild. Then I'm at 1 o'clock, I didn't realize, but I don't know if you can hear that. Maybe you can. Hopefully you can hear, but it's been a windstorm. Like I've experienced windstorms in Ontario, but this is the first time. Like the wind is almost always strong here, but it's the first time when it's not like a snowstorm or anything that I think it's just a windstorm. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, it's nice, it's cool, it feels good, but it's a little daunting to be driving and hearing, you know, like the something paying car go woo 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 woo, the what's it called, license plates, you know, flapping in the wind, and when you're walking the breeze is kind of just pushing you along, you know, and you step out and you hear that all over the place. I mean, it's kind of crazy, but anyway, that's what's going on this week. Windstorm. And yeah. I didn't have to close the door. I didn't even have to close the door. That's locked. It feel nice, but not gonna lie. But me know say, I them kind of weather year breed tornado, and we really don't want to experience that again. but I don't know. I'm a fan of, I like sunny days, obviously, but I like rain. I really love the rain. I like when it's cool, when the what other people would call not perfect weather is probably what I would call that. But yeah. Anyway, babe, and the little one gone in at the store and me just there, so I'll chill out. Hey loves, so I'm doing laundry a little bit early today, and unfortunately I'm running out of a bag of things at once. So I thought I'd show you that I use this for whites. We're out. And the next thing I'm out of is this. Now this is really what I want to talk about. This is Lifestyle Laundry Disinfectant. Like at first I wasn't really sure, but this baby is the truth, because let me tell you a story. So about a week ago or two, I was doing the little Miss hair, like I was refreshing her hair, and I noticed the beads in the hair were dirty, like dirty. So I'm like, you know the texture of beads, right? It's like hard plastic. So I'm like, how are these dirty? And I'm like, someone said to her, "Is that really wrong?" Sis said, "Maybe." I know the Caribbean mom in me wanted to say, "Hey, I'm telling you something," but the millennial mom in me is like, you got some stories about being upside down in trees at school, so therefore let's not act like. So this is a testament to why I feel it's necessary to now add them, because I've seen that, like, you ever pass out of school and I see them or rolling on the grass or rolling. I really feel like that is why this is needed. Also, baby, the socks. Have you seen the socks? So they have outside shoes and inside shoes, but somehow the socks them come on like them did that walk outside door. So this thing right here is the truth, and being out is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to go get that. I'm also out of fabric softener, and the scent beads are a little bit low. The detergent and the OxyClean are in good standing for now, but I'm gonna need to go get some of that this weekend. And I'm already, like, I've got like, I think I have one more load for Little Miss, and then that's it. I'm done for today. But I don't feel good about doing it with them. I'm gonna wash out the bottle. Look at poops in there, but I'm gonna wash out the bottle and finish the laundry.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright.
So we went to Regina Farmers Market. I thought there was supposed to be like fruits and vegetables at the market, but that's not what's there. It's like a little, it's a bit like a little craft shop. So there's like, you know, handmade items and jams and wine and things like that, but no fruits and veggies, which is what I thought I was going for. But I guess that's one more thing to learn about farmers market in Regina are different from what we know them to be.
I love the farmers market.
You do?
Yeah.
You love it because you get bath bomb? Try this one. What happened? Get some beef rolls. Some olives. Such a little look there. Such a little bit of something in the bottle. So irritating. But I am out of Tylenol and I need more. As a girly, ooh. I'm also gonna get some Tums because babe always have Tums and it feels like the literal second that it done is when I get a case of heartburn. So. This is 100 and this is 160. This one is 160. Tylenol. What is this? got boxes. That's not what I need. I need one of the big thing them. I need one of the big something them, the big buckle them. I think this is it. About 200 tabs in there. I think this is it. Tylenol extra strength, baby. I don't know what the situation is, but I really think them people are going to like sell like Excedrin, but I kill them. But I think I got what I need. So. Smell nice. Alright, we'll do. Keep on buying these.
Joe Fresh,
Or we can use bag.
Joe Fresh, 122, please.
Or maybe what she needs is some wet ones. These have 16. The wet ones have 20. That's probably a better bag. So we're only gonna get 2.
Can I smell?
This smells nice. Let's keep that one.
Okay. Yay.
Alright. I need some deodorant. Alright, baby, this undefeated. They got unscented, they've got powder fresh. And I think we're gonna get one of the powder fresh ones. I don't need a value pack because one of them sucker here lost very big. So here we go.
Yeah.
Come on to this. Sweet coconut, fresh citrus, clean eucalyptus, blah blah blah. My God. Do y'all know any Secret has
What the stuff?
It smells like nothing like that.
This smells familiar. Daddy, this soap smells familiar.
I'm wary of anything because it did smell. This smells like maybe alright, let's keep going here.
Mommy,
Okay? How do we get this again?
this.
Maybe this one.
Yeah, that's like.
Let's go with this one this time. Eh? Or maybe this one. Fireworks. this one we're gonna get the bigger bottle this time. My camera battery died on me and I did not bring an extra. So you might not all see the rest of this shopping. It's not too much though. Getting some juice and then that's kind of it. So I'll see you later.